Once upon a yesterday, once upon an everyday before, we were told the way it is, we were told the way to live. You don't need to run away, you don't need to change your name, no. 'Cause all that history is an old philosophy. It's never gonna be the right time, you're never gonna be the right kind. It's never gonna be enough. This is our time, this is our dimension. All your good intentions don't mean nothing now. This is why we fight, this is our redemption. Every wasted lesson taught me how to fly. This is our time. This is our time. There's gotta be a better way from what I got to what I gave away. I lost it long ago, but that was long before I'd known. Every rule can still be broken, everything that's closed can open, and everything that's meant to be can change. No, it's never gonna be the right time, you're never gonna be the right kind. It's never gonna be enough. This is our time, this is our dimension. All your good intentions don't mean nothing now. This is why we fight, this is our redemption. Every wasted lesson taught me how to fly. This is our time. This is our time. Once upon a yesterday, once upon an everyday before, we were told the way it is, we were told the way to live. This is our time, this is our dimension.